Hello guys, welcome to my channel code&chill. In this video, we will discuss how you can make your own Python web scraper using 15 to 20 lines of code, and you can easily build a scraper that can extract information from websites, get all the header data and all the other required informations. So let's get down to business. So first of all, we will be importing two libraries, requests module and BeautifulSoup. So from BS4 import BeautifulSoup. So what they do is request module actually helps you to make connection to the target website, and BeautifulSoup is used to parse the extracted HTML code. So after that we'll create two variables over here. One is URL. You need to pass the URL string over here. So there are multiple websites you can use for scraping information, but be sure that you are legally allowed to do so because some websites don't allow web scraping. So I have this test website. You can also use this for learning purpose. This is webscraper.io test site. You can just copy the link over here and put it in the URL tab. Sorry, your variable, and then we'll create a response variable which will contain the requests.get and then URL. So this response will contain all the information that we get from this website in the raw data form. And now we'll use BeautifulSoup for scrapping. So we'll just provide a if block if the response dot status code. So we will be checking if the status code is valid or not from the website. So valid status code will be 200. If status code is 200, we will go for the further passing. Soup is equals to BeautifulSoup. Now we'll provide the response dot text, and the parser would be HTML dot parser. So it's clearly straightforward. So we'll be providing the response.txt so to BeautifulSoup for passing, and the total encoding in the format is HTML, and we'll extract the title from this soup variable. So it would be soup dot title dot string. So this way you will be getting title variable, the title which we extracted from this soup to this title variable assigned. And now we can just simply print the title. Print, let's make a string, and the page title is title. Cool. So now we have the page title with us. Let us extract some headers. So if you see, the page title would be the title of web scraper test site, and this would be the h1 tag, the header one, the biggest of all, and these would be the h2 or h3 if they have provided any. So it's pretty straightforward. So let's grab the header. We'll create a header variable. Header is equal to soup.findAll. We'll use a findAll function. So it will be used for finding all the tags. So we can provide the tags in the array format. So this would be h1 and h2, similarly h3 if any. Let's give h3 to be in safe side. Now let's iterate through the header and extract all information in headers. Now we are just simply printing it, like just go for all the headers. So we will be printing header dot name. You need to know the tags, which tags to be used for printing the names and all the text, and we will be printing the header text, right? So header dot text. Let's strip it from any trailing white spaces, and this way you will be extracting the page title as well as the headers. and we are good to run this code. Just add the else block, like if the status code is not 200, if for some reasons we get a status code, different status code, error, server unreachable, or anything 404, so those will be handled in this else block. So just simply print it like the status code is not valid, the response we got failed to fetch the website's data. Just to be on the safer side and know about the failed status code so that we can explore further, you can simply provide the status code. So let's print the status code. Response dot status code. So we are good. The thing should be working fine. Let's try to run this code. So as you can see, the code ran fine, and the output came as desired. Like the page title is test sites web scraper, H1 would be test sites, and H2 would be these ones which we saw. Like these are the H2 header tags extracted from this website. So you can extract a hell lot of information from websites. You can use multiple different combinations to extract multiple data and hidden queries and all these stuffs. So I hope you learned something new and hope this small piece of code was informative to you. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.